Raindrops falling like candy from above. Streetlights glowing and it's like we're in love. Umbrellas dancing in neon skies. Feet splashing puddles, oh what a surprise. Cities buzzing with a symphony of lights. Rivers flowing through the sleepless nights. Colors blending, making magic unseen, turning the mundane into a dream. It's a lluvia de color, a shower of hues, splatter rainbows, painting every view. No more gray, no more black and white. Lluvia de color fills our eyes tonight. Mystery whispers echo off the stone. Every step like the world's your own. Rain soaked pages of a story